Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to subscribe a channel in YouTube. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the YouTube app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your YouTube account. Now to subscribe a channel, you should have to see the channel here. So I'm tapping on this. So this is the channel. Even you can search it from here, or you can just tap on the videos profile available in the home page. Now you will see the option of subscribe on black highlighted side. So tap on it. Now see subscribed, and you will have to tap on bell icon here. Then you can see you want notification or not, and you will also see the option of unsubscribe to unsubscribe the ID or channel. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials.